everyone, happy returns to our class. See, in this session, we are going to learn about that is verb with preposition. Yes, I'm here to teach you that verb with preposition. Yes, so before learning this, we should recall this. Then only we can able to understand this. So first, what is verb? Verb. Verb is nothing but action words. Yes, so whatever we are doing, actions, that is whatever we are giving actions by our body, through our body, that will be considered as what? Verb. Yes, so action words are named as verb, right? So then preposition. What is preposition? Preposition, already I told you that preposition. Pre means before, position means placement. So before placement, that is, it shows time, direction and place altogether called, that is, positions, that is prepositions, right? So we are going to learn about this combined form, that is verb with preposition. Yes, we are going to learn about combined form, that verb with preposition. Yes, see here I have given one preposition word. We are going to learn about the purpose of on, the preposition word on, where we should use, when we should use, yes, in which situation we should use. Yes, so we are going to learn about these things, right? So let us start that. See, first situation is, that is, work on, right? See, first word is work on. So on is used for this purpose. Yes, that is work on. Then blame on, elaborate on, comment on, count on. Yes, let's see one by one with example. See here, let me write one example. Work on. Yes, so I feel happy to, work on this. I feel happy to work on this job. Right? Students, is it? Look at the sentence. I feel happy to work on this job. So here, work on. It is verb preposition. Yes, work means verb, on preposition. Yes, so work on. Yes, altogether that is verb with preposition. See what the meaning expressing means. See, I feel very glad, I feel very pressure, I feel very happy to work in this field of work, in this job. Yes, so that is the meaning of this sentence, right? Next, blame on. That is, blame means, what is the meaning of that word? Blaming, that is complaining. Yes, telling some wrong information. Yes, wrong thoughts, negative feedbacks. Yes, about someone. Yes, so about someone, right? So that is blame, blaming others, complaining others. Yes, that is giving negative feedbacks on others. That is the meaning of this word, blame on. So we should not blame on others. We should not blame on others. See here, blame on. Blame is what? Blame is a verb. On is the preposition, right? So blame on, verb with preposition. So that is the verb with preposition. That is acting as in a sentence. See here, we should not blame on others. See what the sentence expressing means. We should not unnecessarily blame on others. Yes, we should not give negative feedback on others, right? So that is the bad thing. Yes, so that the meaning of the sentence is that we should not blame on others, right? Next, comment on. See, the same thing we got, that is similar to that blame. Comment on, but it consists of, that is, two kind. What? That is good comment and bad comment, right? Blame means only the negative thing. Yes, negative thoughts, negative feedback alone. It means blame me, right? But here comment means it consists of two kinds, two varieties. That is bad comment and good comment. That is positive comment and negative comment. Yes. So based on the situation, we can use this word. Yes. Comment on. Yes. So here, example. Say don't want. I don't want any more comments on this. So here comments on. See, comments is a verb, on is a preposition word. So verb with preposition. See, look at the sentence. I don't want any more comment on this. See what it mean? It mean, see, I don't want to hear any more. That is more than this. This other than this. I don't want to hear other than this comments. Yes. So no more comments I want. So I need, this is enough for me. No more comments. I don't want to hear no more comments. Yes. So that is the meaning of this sentence. So I don't want any more comment on this. Yes. Next. Elaborate on. Elaborate. So elaborate means what? That is briefly explain. Elaborately. Right. So elaborate on. Yes. Example, see, can you elaborate? Can you elaborate on the process or this process? So this is the question. Yes, see, raising question. See here, elaborate on is the verb with, that is verb with preposition. Verb, preposition, right? So elaborate is a verb, on is a preposition. So can you elaborate on this process? So during the interview time, during the, there is any discussion, group discussion, during the meeting. So meantime, they used to ask, they used to raise this type of questions, right? That is, can you elaborate on this process? So will you? Yes. So like that, in such kind of situation, we can use this. So elaborate mean, that is briefly, deeply. Yes. So we should explain it elaborately. Yes. So we should explain it elaborately, very deeply. Yes. So it contains this large, vast concept, vast explanation. Yes. So that is the meaning of this word elaborate. Next, count on. You know that counting. Yes, the meaning is counting. Whatever it may be, we should count it. Countable, right? So count on. For example, he started doing count on the notebooks. Right? See, look at the sentence. He started doing count on the notebooks. Here, count is a verb, on is a preposition. Yes. So he started doing count on the notebooks. Anyhow, that is, it mean count mean counting process. Yes. We are going to count or counted before. Anyhow, counting numbers. Yes. So the counting means that is we are going to count anything or any person. Yes, whatever it may be, a person or a thing. We are going to count, the counting process. Right? So that's it. These are all the purposes. Yes. So where we should use on, when we should use on. Yes, the usages of on is here. Yes, I have given here. We learned that about on, usage of on, right? So that's it, student. So this is the verb with preposition, right? Just go through it, do it in your own, and do some worksheet by your own, right? So thank you for being part of this session. Thank you.